Hi my YouTube friends, and welcome back to my channel. I am Dee and you're looking at the how-to lady, and we're going to talk about exercise. I love staying fit. It's all about being healthy. So we're going to give you some tips on various exercises that we do that are fairly simplistic, but it will also help you maintain your health. So if you're interested, stay tuned, and we're going to get this ball rolling and we're going to knock it out of the park. This exercise session will consist of the warm-up, the exercise, 20-second break in between each round, and the cool down. So let's get into it.
Hi everyone. So you know I am on vacation, but the desire for me to stay fit is so strong that I am in the weight room. Got to get that workout in. So it doesn't matter where you are, staying fit is a lifestyle change, not just a change for the moment to change your body or to change your health, but it's a lifestyle change. And if you change your lifestyle, you will change your body and you will then change your health. But it has to be continuous. Consistency is the key. And that's probably the hardest thing to do, to stay consistent. But guess what? We can do it. So I'm getting ready to do my workout. Y'all want to come with me? Here we go.
Let's begin with our warm-up. We'll begin our warm-up by breathing in through our nose and out through our mouth like we're whistling. The breathing will be followed by stretching. We will now begin stretching the back of our calves, thighs, torso, and arms. Begin lowering your body one vertebrae at a time to the floor, spreading your feet as far apart as possible. You will slowly walk your hands out and then land your elbows on the floor. Here you'll get a great stretch in the mentioned areas. Remember, these stretching exercises will be repeated during the cool down. It's time for the exercise. We'll be toning our arms today using hand weights. We will be completing 2 separate positions and 3 sets of each of those positions. Let's get into it. First, you want to select the weights that are best suited for what you're trying to complete. Today, I'm going to use 5-pound weights to complete this arm toning exercise. You can replace the weights with a water bottle. Please check out the video on this channel. Let's begin round 1 and position 1. Our first arm toning position will consist of holding our arms in a horizontal position while balancing our weights. Do not allow your arms to lower, even if it's starting to feel uncomfortable. You should never feel pain, but get comfortable with the discomfort. You will hold them out for about a count of 15 or 20 seconds, and then you will lower your arms. You'll start that again, and we'll keep going. You can do it. It's time to break in 3, 2, 1. Let's begin round 2, position 1. In order to experience more workout videos like the one today, please go to my YouTube channel and explore a playlist titled Videos Related to Fitness. It's time to break in 3, 2, 1. Let's begin round 3, position 1. It's time to break in 3, 2, 1. Let's begin round 1, position 2. In this position, we'll be holding the weights in front with our arms extended. We'll be holding the weights for approximately 25 seconds. You can do it. It's time to break in 3, 2, 1. Let's begin round 2, position 2. It's time to break in 3, 2, 1. It's time for our final round, round 3, position 2. It's time to cool down. Wow, you did it. You completed an arm toning and strengthening exercise. Remember, consult a physician before beginning any exercise program. Stay healthy, stay fit, and stay toned.
Thank you for watching, my friends, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.